Guys, I just met the strongest man on earth, and his name is Samson.
Oh, Samson, you are so foolish for telling me the secret behind strength. Your life won't be the same anymore. Very. And now your little power is gone. The Philistines are coming for you.
What have you done to me? What have you done?
What had to be done? Now take him away.
You can start up a faceless YouTube channel or a TikTok account posting Bible vlogs like this if you watch this video from the very beginning till the end. I am going to show you how to generate amazing cinematic and realistic videos like this with the help of Chat GPT and the Veo 3 AI for free in a simple step-by-step guide. Anyways, welcome to SP Studios. My name is Charles, and on this channel I make videos on how to create content on trending AI tools. I also share tips on how to grow on YouTube and other ways we can make money online. So if you are coming across this channel for the very first time, I would like you to subscribe, turn on your notification, like this video, and don't forget to drop your opinion in the comment section below. So without wasting your time, let us dive right into the video. So to get started on this one, we'll go ahead and search for Flow AI video on Google like this, and then I'll scroll down and click on this particular one here, not the first one. Don't click on the first one, click on the second Google Labs here, Flow. When you click on it, it will take you to the interface. Let's wait for it to load. As you can see, this is the Flow AI interface. We'll go ahead and click on this one, create with Flow. It is loading. Now it is asking us to sign in with Google. Just go ahead and click on the sign in button, as you can see here. So when you click on the create with Flow button, it is going to bring you here. You're going to go ahead and just sign in with any of your Google accounts. I'll sign in with the very last account here and wait for it to load. Okay, it says I should try signing in with another different account. So I'll click on sign in with Google. I'll try another account. I'll try this one. Let's see how it goes. Okay, it is now letting me sign in. So once it brings you here, just go ahead and tick all this box and click on next, and then go ahead and review their policy like this. Just scroll, then when it brings you here, it will give you access to continue. Then you click on continue, and now you have access to the Flow AI platform. But the only thing restricting you from creation now is to subscribe. As you can see here, it says you must be a Google AI subscriber to generate. Feel free to look around in the meantime. So it says subscribe here. We're going to just click on subscribe and wait for it to load. Now it has brought us to a page where we are going to subscribe. As you can see here, the price in Naira is 28,500, but it is currently free for 1 month. But I have already subscribed on my other account, which I'm just going to switch on to now. I made a video on how to subscribe on this particular platform some days ago. I will be attaching that video in the description. Just go ahead and watch that video from there and understand how to sign up on this platform for free. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click on my profile here to switch to the account that I signed up with. As you can see now, Flow AI has given me access to the platform because I am signed in with the account where they gave me the pro version. You can see here it says pro, and this is my other profile. So what we are going to do now is to generate prompts that is going to help us create this video. I'll just head on to Chat GPT to try and generate this prompt now. So let us head on to Chat GPT and see what we can get there. So I am on Chat GPT to generate some prompts, but it is not giving me what I want. I asked Chat GPT to give me prompts which I can use to generate the story of Samson and Delilah, that kind of vlog I showed in the beginning, but it wasn't giving me that. So I decided to do something on my own. These are the prompts I got from Chat GPT. It was quite detailed, but it was too long, and if I use it on Google Veo 3 AI, it is not going to give me the exact thing I want, because number one, the videos you can create at a go on the newly launched Google Veo 3 AI cannot be more than 8 seconds. So this is actually going to give a 8-second video, which will not even be enough. So I decided to do something on my own. I accessed my notepad and wrote the prompt for me. After all, we have been doing these things ourselves before Chat GPT, came along. So let me show you what I did on my notepad. Let us go ahead and access my notepad here. So I'll go ahead, and this is my notepad here. I'll click on it. So I wrote this prompt myself: scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and scene 4. I am going to leave this prompt in the description box so that you can also use it and generate your own videos. You can do exactly what I did, or you can just edit it or use something entirely. It depends on you. You can also generate your own prompt using ChatGPT if you are able to figure it out. But since I could not figure it out, I have to write my own prompts myself. Like I said, before ChatGPT, we were writing things ourselves. So I don't really see why I should depend on ChatGPT all the time. So let us head over to Google Flow and generate the videos. As you can see, I am now back on Flow AI to generate this video. What I'm going to do is to copy my prompts. I have already copied the prompt and I'm going to paste it here on the text to video side. As you can see, text to video. So now when creating on this particular platform, there is something you need to have in mind. Make sure you click on this button here, this place. It will bring out something like this. Make sure the output is 1 so that it will not waste your credit, and also make sure that the model you are using to create this video is the very last one here, which is Veo 3, highest quality, the one we are talking about in this video. You click on it, and then as you can see, make sure it is on output per prompt, and the prompt is 1, just 1. So we are going to go ahead and see if everything is okay. It's on text to video, and then this is our prompt here. Like I said, I'm going to leave it in the description for you guys to copy and use. I said generate the video of Biblical Samson fast asleep on Delilah's app. I'm just going to leave it in the description box for you guys to read. So I'll go ahead and click on this button here to generate the video. As you can see, it is now generating the video. We'll wait for it to load. Finally, our video has been created. Let us see what we got from Flow AI this time. This is the prompt I used. It said generate a video of the Biblical Samson fast asleep on Delilah's lap in her bedroom. Delilah holds the camera to her face while also showing off Samson's face as he sleeps. With a mischievous smile on her face, she strokes his hair gently and talks about how foolish Samson is for telling her the secret of his strength. She says, "Oh Samson, you are so foolish for telling me the secrets behind your strength. Your life won't be the same anymore." And then let us see what we got here. Let me play the video for us to see.
Oh, Samson, you are so foolish for telling me the secret behind strength. Your life won't be the same anymore.
This is perfect. This is perfect. I'm going to go ahead and download the video. Like you can see here, I'll click on this one here and click on the original size so that it will not waste our credits. Make sure you click on the original size whenever you want to download. I'll click on it and wait for it to download. Okay, so we're just waiting for it to download. So it has downloaded now, and go ahead and access our video from our gallery. So you go ahead and click on this one by one, all these scenes that you generated, and copy them one by one and come back to Veo 3 AI and generate all the videos one by one. As you can see here, I'll come back and generate another one. Go ahead and click on this place, paste this prompt and generate another video. I will make sure it is on Veo 3 the highest quality, and then I'll go ahead and click on this button here to generate it again. Make sure you do that for all the scenes. Okay, our video has been generated again. I'll go ahead and click on the download button, pick the original size, you know, for our videos to be generated. As you can see, the video has been generated. I will go ahead and click on the play button.
Betty. And now your little power is gone. The Philistines are coming for you.
Exactly. Samson hair is gone. So we'll go ahead and generate the last scene and do that for all the video. So now this is how you create a Bible vlog using VEO 3 AI. After this, just open CapCut or any of your favorite editing app and, you know, compile your videos according to the scene and, you know, post it online. This is how I'm going to do mine. I'll go here, I'll pick this is the first scene, and then second scene, third scene, and then finally this one I generated, and then add it to CapCut. As you can see here, I'm going to play it for you guys to see.
Guys, I just met the strongest man on earth, and his name is Samson.
Oh, Samson, you are so foolish for telling me the secret behind strength. Your life won't be the same anymore. Betty. And now your little power is gone. The Philistines are coming for you.
Delilah, what have you done?
What had to be done?
And there you have it. We have created our Bible vlog. So this is how you do it with Google Veo 3 AI. If you had any value from this video, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on my videos going forward. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video.